Welcome back to Code 2 Car, your go-to channel for in-depth looks at the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of driving. Today, we're diving into the legendary performance sedan that has defined the balance between daily usability and track-ready performance for decades, the 2026 BMW M3. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's an icon that has continued to evolve, and in 2026, BMW has pulled out all the stops to ensure the M3 remains at the top of its game. So sit back, relax, and let's take a detailed walk through everything you need to know about this new powerhouse. The M3 story is one of evolution. Since the very first generation, it's been about blending razor-sharp handling, everyday practicality, and blistering performance. With the 2026 model, BMW has doubled down on technology, refinement, and raw excitement. At first glance, the design alone screams performance. The aggressive front fascia, signature kidney grills that have been subtly reshaped compared to past versions, the sculpted hood with functional vents, flared fenders, and aerodynamic tweaks all make it clear, this car is built to perform. From the rear, you've got the quad exhausts that let out that signature M growl, paired with a diffuser that isn't just for looks, it's engineered to keep the car stable at high speeds. BMW has introduced new lighting technology here as well. The headlights are slimmer, sharper, and come with adaptive laser light systems that not only look futuristic but improve visibility drastically. The rear taillights carry that sleek 3D design language, giving the car a bold stance even when parked. You can immediately tell that BMW has paid attention to detail because every element, from the sculpted side skirts to the lightweight alloy wheels, contributes to both style and performance. Step inside, and the 2026 cubic meters gives you a perfect mix of luxury and motorsport DNA. The cabin is driver-focused, with M-specific bucket seats that hug you during aggressive driving but remain comfortable enough for long journeys. High-quality materials are everywhere, think carbon fiber trims, aluminum finishes, Alcantara, and fine leather. The center console is clean, modern, and dominated by BMW's latest curved display setup that merges the digital instrument cluster with the infotainment screen. It's powered by the newest iDrive system, which is more intuitive, faster, and now has expanded voice and gesture controls. Of course, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are fully wireless, and BMW even introduced improved over-the-air updates, meaning your car will keep getting smarter over time. But beyond luxury and tech, this is an M car. And performance is where the M3 really shines. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M3 is offered with multiple powertrain options. At its core, there's the improved 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, producing more power than ever, around 530 horsepower in the standard competition trim, and even higher in the rumored CS and CSL variants. Power delivery is immediate, turbo lag is virtually non-existent, and the engine sings all the way to its redline with a sound that feels mechanical yet refined. BMW has also refined the 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you faster shifts in performance modes but smooth operation when cruising around town. And yes, the manual transmission option remains for purists, keeping the soul of the M3 alive. One of the biggest updates for 2026 is BMW's focus on electrification. Alongside the traditional combustion models, BMW has introduced a mild hybrid system that assists with torque delivery, making acceleration even sharper while improving efficiency. Some trims may even feature plug-in hybrid technology, blending electric power with the M3's iconic engine for blistering performance combined with eco-conscious driving. It's part of BMW's plan to keep the M lineup relevant in an evolving automotive landscape, where sustainability and performance must go hand in hand. On the road, the 2026 cubic meters delivers an experience that is nothing short of thrilling. Adaptive suspension ensures comfort in daily driving and razor-sharp precision on the track. The steering is direct and communicative, making you feel connected to the road at every turn. All-wheel drive, available in the MX Drive variants, ensures incredible traction, especially during launches, but you can still switch to rear-wheel drive for pure driving fun. Whether you're carving through mountain roads, cruising on the highway, or pushing it to its limits on a racetrack, the M3 adapts seamlessly. Now, let's talk numbers, because performance enthusiasts love them. The 2026 BMW M3 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.2 seconds in its competition xDrive form, making it one of the quickest sedans in its class. Top speed, when unlocked with the M Drivers package, pushes close to 190 miles per hour. But the beauty of the M3 isn't just raw speed, it's the way it balances that speed with control, confidence, and usability. This is a car you can take to the office during the week and then tear up a racetrack on the weekend without missing a beat. And in today's world, where practicality also matters, the M3 does surprisingly well. It has a usable back seat, a decent-sized trunk, and all the modern safety tech you'd expect. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking come standard or are available. BMW's latest driver assistance suite ensures the M3 can handle daily commutes as easily as it handles corners. One area that often gets overlooked with performance cars is financial practicality, but the 2026 cubic meters makes an interesting case here. Yes, it's not cheap, with prices starting well above $75,000 and climbing significantly with options. However, BMW has worked on improving fuel efficiency thanks to hybrid systems, so you're not burning through fuel as quickly as before. Additionally, M cars traditionally hold strong resale values, especially special editions like the CS and CSL. For enthusiasts who see this not just as a car but as an investment, owning a 2026 cubic meters could prove financially wise in the long run. Add in BMW's warranty and maintenance programs, and the ownership experience becomes even more appealing. When compared to its rivals, the M3 still stands tall. Competitors like the Mercedes-AMG C63, which has gone hybrid with a 4-cylinder engine, and the Audi RS5, which leans on turbocharged V6 power, simply don't have the same balance of tradition, performance, and everyday usability. The M3 continues to be the benchmark, offering a package that is hard to beat. BMW knows this and continues to refine what makes the M3 special instead of completely reinventing it. For enthusiasts, there's also an emotional connection to the M3. This car represents decades of engineering, passion, and motorsport heritage. BMW has managed to preserve the DNA of what made the original E30 M3 legendary while adapting to modern times. That's not an easy balance, but the 2026 cubic meters achieves it beautifully. So, who is the 2026 BMW M3 for? It's for the driver who wants it all. Performance that makes your heart race, technology that keeps you connected, comfort that makes long trips enjoyable, and a badge that carries prestige. Whether you're an enthusiast who loves track days, a professional who wants a thrilling daily driver, or even someone who sees cars as long-term investments, the M3 ticks all the boxes. At the end of the day, the 2026 BMW M3 isn't just a car, it's an experience. Every detail, from the way it looks to the way it drives, has been carefully engineered to deliver maximum excitement. BMW knows the competition is fierce, but with this car, they've ensured the M3 will continue to dominate conversations for years to come. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 BMW M3. What do you think of BMW's latest M powerhouse? Do you love the balance of tradition and new technology, or do you prefer the older, purer versions of the M3? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Code 2 Car for more in-depth automotive content, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.